on this Ali Pearl Deep Wave hair. I got 26 inches in 200 density, and this is a frontal unit. And I did get this professionally installed. I'll leave my install girl's info below. And I did use my homegirl's lace tinting spray, Stitch Creations. I'll also leave her link down below. She does make shades for darker girls, as you can see. I try to get it to match as soon as I can, as best as I can, but I'm not really going anywhere right now, so it's not a huge deal. We are in a pandemic, so I'm just chilling right now. But this is my birthday hair for my upcoming trip. If you've been on my channel a little bit, I've kind of been mentioning it. It's my 30th birthday in about 10 days? A little bit more than that. But this is my vacay hair. Hopefully this lasts. If not, I will probably reinstall this. This is the natural brown color it came in. You will see in the video before, I'll insert a clip of me detangling it and spraying it with water and a little bit of conditioner. And then I did put the Shea Moisture Curl Cream in this. It did define the curls beautifully. I actually love this curling cream. It made the curls so cute. Like, I think this hair is perfect for on the beach and when you're just, you know, like low maintenance, just spray and go. Literally add water and go. I didn't have a lot of issues with shedding or anything like that. Obviously curly hair sheds, we all know this. I haven't had this hair in too long. It's only been about a week. I will try and update you. Also follow me on Instagram so you can see how this hair works out for me. I'll try and see if in about 6 months I update another video on my channel about how this hair has been going so far. But so far I do like it. I think once you wet it and add product to it, it makes such a big difference, especially when you define the curls. I will show you how long it is on me. I'm about 5'3" and it gets to just about my lower back. I actually do love this hair. I have had curly hair in the past that's a little bit thicker than this, and it's a lot of maintenance. It is a lot of like taming it and wetting it and making sure the curls are popping. I will leave the link down below to the Shea Moisture stuff that I use, but this is how it looks so far after about a week. I actually do love how it looks. No complaints yet. But I would say if I were to order this again, I would probably get 250 density and a little bit longer. I did order 26 inches and it's just about to the middle of my back. I wouldn't mind if it went to like my waistline a little bit lower. I believe altogether Canadian, let me check my phone, how much I paid. I did have a little coupon that they were giving away for Black Friday. I don't even know how much I paid. 200% density, medium size cap, 26 inches with the adjustable band sewed in the back. So I do have 3 wig clips at the very bottom in the back. This is a perfect fit for my head. I have a huge forehead, so I'm glad it fits, and I love the curly hair for my forehead. It kind of distracts you a little bit, so I feel like if I got 250 density, it would have been that much more better. I don't see the price in my email, but I will leave the link down below for this. Also, it was really weird, but it did come with like a U-part bob in like 12 inches. I don't know what I'm going to do with that because I don't really like U-parts anymore. It's more work than just putting on a closure unit or a frontal unit for me, because blending out my hair and all of that, I'm not into it. That part of my hair is like already breaking, so I don't even think I'll be dealing with that. So I think I'm just going to give that U-part wig away to a friend or something. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'll give it away in a giveaway. That's perfect. Stay tuned for that. That would be a giveaway. But yeah, other than that, these are the curls after about an hour. I don't really have too much to say about this hair. I unfortunately didn't do these braids. I just thought the style was so cute, and I told my stylist just put them in, and it actually is pretty cute on me. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'll try my best to answer everything as best as I can. Other than that, follow me on Instagram so you could see how it looks and everything. Thank you so much for watching.